se ustaviti za nekaj za pit, da nimam nič, stari.
I vozi pa se stavimo, ker gremo mimo dveh, stari.
Prva benzinska, ko je, se ustavi.
Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls.
Damo red.
Ja, stari, še si videla v buzetu, vijače.
Kaj jo predstavimo, pridi se. To je Sara. Kaj boš povedala o sebi?
Da sem s kmetije, da sem seljak.
To rabimo.
Rada grem kam, zavtam, ker nečem več skušam doma. In da sem zelo vesela, da gremo danes nekam. Da imam družba, da lahko grem, ker sama Saša tam.
Ok, kaj imaš doma živali?
Ja, imam svojo mačko, imam krave, imam pujse, imam kure, imam koze, ovce.
Vse ima ona doma.
Vse.
Fantastično. We love her. We love her. Bomo dali tukaj ko na
Kontakt. Pozdravitke, še mislim.
No way!
Imamo problem z walkie-talkie,
Ja.
ker so za en... Čakaj, ne, to je blurred. So zelo slabi.
Slabi.
Zelo slabi.
Mi smo kulturni.
Look at the outfit, very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool outfit. Yes!
Italija!
Yes! Spali smo, koliko si spala, Alisa?
Nič, nisem spala.
Alisa ni spala, jaz sem spala 1 uro. Koliko si ti spal? Držan, ne vem.
2 uri.
2 uri.
3, ajde. Ne, 3, če sem vse skupaj.
Nature.
Wow,
Ah.
so beautiful. Dobrodošli, Crikvenica.
Цвирквиниця.
Say it.
Цриквиця.
Crikvenica.
Цвірквіниця. Why? But it's like re.
Yes.
So it's beer.
Yes.
Цвик.
Crik.
Црик. Цриквиниця.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. Good job.
I
She
knew
did
it.
it.
Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way. And after all, if you do really like what you're doing, it doesn't matter what it is, you can eventually turn it, you will eventually become a master of it.
Prva stvar, smo prišli v KFC.
Не tako.
Švilač.
Kaj, ti si jedla KFC?
Jaz sem jedla en piškot.
KFC.
A v KFC, ja, dosti.
Ja?
Ja. Do you know what they have in Russia? Banana with milk. Milk with banana.
Yay! Yes.
Kaj delaš?
Photoshootting za Calvin Klein.
Non mi importa di nada, in tasca una blacca fumo cioccolata. Non guardo il culo alla tua fidanzata, perché a metà zona sei là son
bomo naredili house tour. It's late. Maybe that's him.
Neki pešlja.
Let's see what he drives.
Motor, po mojem.
Sa zeleno imam. Zeleno dugme, kad daš kontakt, onda zeleno dugme.
Gremo direkt za auto, ob obali se vozimo in se delamo kot idioti in to je to. Kaj ste se zdaj odločili?
Ne, kaj smo se odločili povedati, smo
Ja, že
že.
vem, kaj rabim.
Neč kaj gremo po kopalke.
Gremo po kopalke. Task number 1, gremo po kopalke, ker sta dva pozabila kopalke doma.
Ok, pazi!
What kind of animals do we have?
Anyways, this is an elephant, that is a giraffe, those two are CROATIA. I have successfully found the right way. Thank you very much.
Where are we going?
To the sea. to buy kopalke. Prvi problem, ki ga imamo, smo šli iskat kopalke in danes je na Hrvaškem dan državnosti. So vse trgovine zaprte, tako da te se bojo kopali ne vem v čem. Hoću ja biti na YouTubeu.
Ja.
Пожалуй, за ти куфуш. Можеш носи. Kaj si kufuš?
Pokaži prosim.
Ti na faksi, ti so nestakli. Se bi rekel, če bo pisalo zdrav. Jebeš kartijem, ona. Zdaj imam
Čim
kopalke.
prej smo. Kopalke.
Zdaj se lahko grem kopati, ja. Ne bomo vzeli dresa. Zdaj imamo boje. Kjere, drži. Jaz bom vzel te. Pa ja, jeste bomo imeli.
That's the ugliest thing I've ever seen. The matching outfits.
Yeah.
He bought him a bracelet. I am in trouble.
Think about this, girl. Think about it.
Hvala. Čao. Samo so mi tesna.
Zakaj mu paše to?
Držan smo to.
Držan. Boys and Girls House Tour Part 1. No, Take 1. Scene 1. To je house tour. Mi smo v Zadru in zdaj bomo pokazali hišo, v kateri smo.
Hello, this is Vogue. 50 question from our
Anyway, smo not v hiši, vidite. Vrata se zaprejo. To odpre zvečer, ko hočeš, če se bojiš teme in hočeš hitro iti, samo stisneš to. Se odpre in potem se samo ugasne, vidite to lučko. Very nice. Tukaj je ogledalo. Ok, gremo naprej. Alisina soba, prazna soba, za vas, boys and girls. Okay. Next. Where should we go? Here are the rooms. We won't show you the rooms. It's very personal.
Yes.
Do you want to do a room tour?
Yes, of course.
Wait, I'm gonna hold the camera. Now you're gonna see Alisa for a bit. Okay.
Hello everyone.
To je Alisa.
Oh my god, I have a mess. Wait, I have to...
She just went away.
Hello,
Hello.
everybody. This is my room. So I have 2 beds for me. I'm gonna be alone here.
That was a hint.
Yes.
Join.
Like, I like this room because it's very light. And it's very comfortable. So this is this. Goodbye.
Very. Oh, she's gonna leave us in the room. Anyway, why not have a double door? A double door. Can you see this? Wait. This is a double door. Oh, can I? Oh my god. I was between doors right now. But we got a pool table.
Play game.
Yeah. And it's very interesting. There's another room there, but we're not allowed to show you that room because it's a
It's actually...
Don't look.
It's actually a red room.
Yeah. A toilet. I don't know what it.
Okay.
There's nothing interesting going on there. Okay. We're going down. Then we have the lights turn on their own. I don't know. Thank you. A washing machine. Yes. And the toilet paper.
I need this at my home.
Here you go.
Yeah, I don't have it.
My master bathroom. Look at this. Wait. You can do it like this, and like this. It's a whole party in here. I know, I discovered that before. Ooh. There's some. Alisa. We can mess with the lights. We can. We're not gonna look at that.
Okay.
It's our room, but it's also a mess right now because we're tired. Okay. 3D mirror goes.
That's
in.
crazy.
I know. What the fuck? I love this house. I
Yeah.
mean, villa or whatever that is. It's very cool. Now, here's the kitchen and the living room. Other window, there's a couch. It's very comfortable. Very nice. We love this couch. It's brown leather. This is a ukulele. Okay. A beautiful bowl. A very beautiful bowl. That's a beautiful bowl. Oh my gosh, such a beautiful bowl. But yeah, stuff, right? Okay. Then we have our fridge, which is full of food, as you can see.
No, wait. This is girl dinner?
Girl dinner. Girl dinner. This is girl dinner. A microwave. Very cool design. I'm selling the house again. The table with everything we're gonna order today, because we have some pretty hungry male species in this house. Now for the grand finale. Ne bom sploh govorila. Samo pogledajte to, prosim. Je na strehi, guys. Look at the cars. There's people. We're gonna show you a swing. Very sad. Stopnice in leżarki. And yeah, this is probably the end of everything. Do you forget something?
Where we are?
We're here. Look at the sea, guys. Sea. Are we tired?
Yeah.
We're very tired, guys. She didn't sleep.
Wait for the part 2.
Yes.
That's
It's
it.
coming. It's editing. We're editing it. Alisa's editing, and I'm there. That's all.
Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.
So thank you for your house room.
Yeah, thank you for filming for Vogue. This is the end of the video probably, because this is part 1. This is it. So goodbye. The other guys are not gonna tell you goodbyes because they're ruthless and horrible. They just work stuff, okay? You can't see everything, boys and girls. Bye.